So, hi, welcome to SA Successful Academy. In this video, we are discussing the exact solution of example 20 whole square bracket 30 multiply 2 divide 20. So, how to solve this question? First of all, we simplify the exponent. So, here when we solve 20, 20, okay, 20 whole square is equal to 400. So here we write the 400. Okay, 400, and now we simplify inside the bracket second time. 30 multiply same. First of all we simplify the division, or you can uh, your choice. First of all, when we two arithmetic operation included division and multiplication, so is your choice first which operation you can solve. So here we first of all we are solving division. 30 multiply 2 divide 20 is 1 over 10. Okay, so here 400 30 divided by 10. Okay, so 30 divided by 10 is 3 multiply 3. So here 400 multiply 3 is 1200. 1200 right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.